Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. Today we will be learning Euler's division algorithm, and using this algorithm we will solve a HCF of two numbers. So already we have discussed what is Euler's division algorithm is, and today we will learn how we can implement it when there is two numbers between them. So the first thing that we need to learn is the HCF of two numbers, and within the HCF of two numbers we will take the two number is 135 and 225. The first step that we need to do, step number 1, is we need to identify between these two numbers which number is greater and which number is smaller. Obviously 225 is greater and 135 is smaller. Okay, so we will do for step number 2 we will do a division 135 225. So the number which is smaller will be a divisor and the number which is larger will become a dividend. Okay, so let's start with 135. This becomes 1, it's 135. Okay, it's 0 and 9. The step number 3 is a checking step. This is a remainder, right? So if remainder not equals to 0, then keep on dividing, but this remainder becomes a divisor and this one becomes a dividend. So we again keep on doing division 45. Step number, this one is again the same step. Remainder is not equals to 0, hence this becomes 90 and 2. Now remainder, there is no remainder or remainder equals to 0. Whenever remainder becomes 0, the divisor becomes the HCF. That at that stage this divisor becomes the result. So 45 will be the HCF of 125 and 135. So using this method we can easily solve the HCF of two numbers.